Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my winter makeup look for a day out. If you are interested to know how I created this, then keep watching the full video. It's very important to keep yourself and your skin well hydrated, especially in winters. So I am starting with prepping my skin with a good moisturizer, for which I am using my Glam's Youthful Hydrating Moisturizing Lotion with Water Bank technology. Then I am applying Manish Malhotra's Illuminating Primer as a base. While prepping your skin, give yourself a minute, massage everything well and let it absorb into the skin. I'm honestly amazed by the performance of this illuminating primer. It kind of creates a layer on your skin, so when you apply the foundation, it turns out to be very seamless and it has a nice sheen in it, so it gives a illuminating effect. Moving on to my foundation, I'm using Manish Malhotra's foundation and I'm in shade Warm Vanilla. To create a dewy effect, I have mixed my Glam's Illuminating Liquid Highlighter, which is in shade Stardust, with my foundation, and I'm mixing it well together and then applying it all over my face and neck. Now to blend my foundation, I'm using my favorite wet beauty sponge and I'm blending in dab-in motion. Now moving on to my brows, I'm using my Glam's Brow Definer. So I'm filling the sparse area and I'm giving it a shape as well. Then brushing everything using the spoolie to make sure there is no harsh line left. For my eyes, I'm using eyeshadow palette from Popexo and I'm gonna create a very simple look today using the colors. I've taken an orange shade from the palette and I'm applying it to all over my lid using a small blending brush, which is from Miniso. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I'm completing the look by applying some highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner. Moving on to the concealer, I'm using Manish Malhotra's concealer, which is in shade Warm Porcelain. And I'm applying it to my usual areas wherever I have uneven skin tone or I want to highlight, like my under eye, around my nose, cupid bone, forehead and to my chin. Next, I'm applying the cream contour from Stay Quirky, which is in shade dark brown, and I'm applying it to my nose, cheeks and to my forehead. Then I'm using the same beauty sponge to blend it all together. So whenever you are blending your concealer, make sure you are not dragging the product from its place. You always blend it in a dab-in motion and try to place the product where you have applied. Now setting my concealer using the loose powder from Inside Cosmetics, and I am applying it to all the places wherever I have applied the concealer. Now to define my contour a little bit more, I am using bronzer from My Glam, and I am applying it to the areas wherever I had applied the contour. Now to complete the eye look, I have taken the pink shade from the palette and I am applying it to my lower lash line. To apply the eyeshadow, I am using a flat shader brush which is again from Miniso. Then applying eyeliner from My Glam in shade Blue Birthday, and I am creating a classic wing. For blush, I am applying Daughter Earth's purple blush. So in winters, whenever we are cold, we have that red nose and cheeks usually. So I am applying the blush mainly to apple of my cheeks and nose to get that cold kind of effect. Now moving on to my lips, I am using lip liner from My Glam in shade Sass, and I am kind of lining my lips and filling using the same lip liner. Then on top of it, applying My Glam's lip and cheek tint in shade Frolic to get a glossy effect. I wanted my face to shine through, so I applied a little bit more highlighter. Lastly, I am using a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. I had forgotten to apply the mascara earlier, so I am curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. And the mascara that I am using is Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Color Bar. I am applying a good amount of it to my upper and lower both lashes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. So here's the completed look and I hope you like it. Share your thoughts with me about it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye.